Here's Sydney, first time in the jumper. She's not quite sure how she feels about it. Lots of lights in motion, but
it's very tropical.
yeah. Of course, she
I
seems.
think she's not even looking at this stuff anymore. She's well, this one got wrapped around. See, it's a little crab. Yeah. Hey, baby. Hi. You see yourself in the mirror? What do you think? Not quite sure.
Peekaboo!
I like the look on her face right now. Oh, you getting sleepy? It's okay. You didn't take much of a nap last time.
Is this thing supposed to swing or something?
It's a bouncy chair.
Yeah, but there we go. A little jiggle fun.
You like that? Her head's moving around a lot more now. How did you get it to vibrate?
You kind of have to hold the battery compartment real tight and then push that thing to the, yeah.
What do you think by that?
Little massage chair. Oops, that was a bit of a close in.
Like the crab? He's moving.
Alright, cameraman coming around. Oh, that's a little better shot of the face. Alright.